Hi ladies, happy Wednesday. I just wanted to invite you to come to Fraley's for our open house on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday we will be open until 7 for all of you who are working or have a busy day planned. You can still come and shop with us until 7. Nancy Nagel, who is a local artist that was a customer of ours, and we were so excited to learn that she was an author, and all the more excited to know that they have been made into a Hallmark movie. Who doesn't love a good Hallmark movie? I know I do. So anyway, we love Miss Nancy, and we were so happy that she is coming on Thursday, and she will be here from 2 to 5, and she will be signing all of the books that she has, and she has how many? 10 different books that she's bringing. They range from $8 to $15. And with any book purchase that you make with Nancy, we are going to give you a $10 gift card that you can come back to Fraley's and use at a later date. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. Plus, she will customize or sign the books if you want to give them for a gift. It would be a great gift item. So we've got that going on Thursday, and then we will be open until Thursday night, and we will be serving our mimosas. So we've got lots of good, exciting things. So we will let you know. Oh, well, we will be having a store-wide sale on Thursday. Everything excluding Brighton and our formal wear and our already reduced merchandise will be 20% off. So everything in the store that you could possibly want is going to be 20% off. So we've got that, plus you get to spin that famous wheel of fortune here at Fraley's. So not only will you get 20% off, you get to spin a wheel. There will be free necklaces. There will be 40% off one item, 30% off one item. We will give you a gift card to you, double stamps.
A gift card to come use
A gift card to come back. It'll just be a win-win. Plus, we will be more than happy to wrap anything if you are gifting or if you are just buying for yourself. That's all the more better. So,
and the 20% off store-wide is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Thank you, Allie. So, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And Friday we will have same hours, 10 to 5, and Saturday will be 10 to 4. So, instead of showing some of our clothes, I thought I would show you some of our wonderful gift items in case you want to come and shop for your gifts, for your significant somebody. I don't know who they might be, but anybody. Okay. These are our beautiful gloves. Allie says, oh, you match so well. And I said, well, they'll notice because I do not match. But it's all right. So these are our gloves. They are nice and warm. They have the little touch pads, so for you to use your phone or whatever you need to use to get the right connection with your phone. We have prints like this. This actually has a metallic in it, black and white. Then we have some animal prints. These are kind of in a suede fabric. Oh, they feel amazing. Here again, they still have the touch fingers. That comes in taupe and gray and black, and these are all at $27. Then these are our famous ones that we have been carrying. This is the 3rd year, and they are actually crewel. They're actually fabric that is almost like knitted or yarned or whatever on top, like needlepoint. And these are just a small portion of what we have. And these are all at $24. Then we have these that look like they are actually hand painted. They're so fun. And these are in that suede fabric. And what a wonderful gift. So these are all at $27. And then we have these beautiful pastels. And this also, and I didn't even pull it, believe it or not, because it's on display, in a beautiful light pink. And then we have the checks, the buffalo checks and the tartan plaits. And they're all at $27.
These are $27 also.
Yep. Then we have several scarves, and I am showing one that matches so well, but we have tartan plaids in different variants, colors. We have buffalo checks. And then as she is scanning, these are our wonderful magnetic scarves. They make a great gift, and I think they're all, 18. Are they all 18? Okay. And they're everything from blingy to not so bling. That's just a tree of life in a gold and silver. But they really work well. It is a very strong magnet that you can put when you don't know how to wear a scarf, or it looks good on the lapel of a jacket. Mine's hid all in here somewhere. There. But they are really strong magnets and they work really well. So those are all at 18.
And I have more styles. I just pulled a couple to show.
Then we have these are our wonderful corded necklaces on the black cord. We have a Santa, we have a snowman, and we have a tree. These are all at 24, as well as things that are not seasoned for the holidays that will go year round. And then, oh, my toboggan. We have these in lots of colors. We have, these are great when you're having a bad hair day. We have the pom-pom. They are at 22. Then we have them without a pom-pom. They are at 18
maybe.
And then we have them for those of you who have long hair where you can put a ponytail through. And I think those are at 16.
Okay, then maybe the regular without the palm is 16 and the ponytail is 18.
Okay, well,
they're
anyway,
in that price range.
We have variants colors, lots of pretty colors to choose from, and then we have these cute little head wraps, and these are priced at 15. So we have lots of wonderful gifts for you, for that little girlfriend gift, hostess gift, significant other gift, anything you may like.
Stocking stuffers.
Stocking stuffers, yes. So, ladies, we hope to see you and take advantage of our wonderful 20% off store-wide, everything in the store except bright men or formal wear. So that will be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, and you also get to spin at the wheel. So we have lots of good extra. We've got a few giveaways as well. So we hope to see you this weekend, and we just want to thank you for all of the many years as we are celebrating 42 years having a open house for you for Christmas. So hope to see you soon, ladies. Have a good one.